Hi everybody and welcome back. Got a great tip for you today. Blending paint colors is so much fun. If you've ever tried it, you know what I mean. If you haven't, you certainly should try it. When you're blending colors, one of the most important things to do is to keep it all wet so the paint keeps moving and flowing and mixing and just constantly changing for you. And the best way I have come across to do that is to spray it. Now, you can absolutely use your brush or your sponge, whatever you want, and dip it in some water and use that. But more effective than that, I have found these spray bottles. These are absolutely awesome. If you're doing a larger piece of furniture, one of these is absolutely fantastic. I mean, you see these all the time. If you have one in your house, with some cleaning fluid in it, wait until you've finished using it. Wash it all out. Wash it really, really carefully. Wash it all out, and then use it with just some nice clean water. And all you do is you just spritz your furniture and continue blending. This is great for big pieces. For little pieces, I've found these, and these come in packs of four, only £1. Um, you just take the little lid off. It's got a tiny little sprayer where you can just spritz the tiny little area and you can blend from then. These are incredible. In fact, when you just spray it, even though this is a tiny little bottle, it does, you can use it a lot. It's very, very handy, and I find these are absolutely amazing. And you just want to continue blending and blending and blending your colors all day long with these, because they're absolutely incredible. Well, give it a go and let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like our page. Go on to YouTube and look up The Living Studio and subscribe so you never miss anything. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.